Qualifying one, never rode the track. It was kind of odd. Hard base with sandy, but deep at the same time. It's definitely very tricky. Go put it to work in the second one.
Yeah, so far first qualifying session's done with, P1, which is good. I enjoyed the track today. It's going to be just trying to really lock in. I want to win a moto really bad, so that's kind of what my goal is set towards, and we got to attack it. So see if we get that done today. But yeah, good qualifying session. We got one more coming up, and then into motos. So feeling solid. So now we just wait for qualifying 2.
Millville, it's good to be back here. I haven't been here in a long time, I think since 2021, so it's good. It's Peanut's home national, so he's got all the fans today, and I'm just here.
This is the best race of the year, and if you don't agree with me, then you're wrong.
So yeah, vibes are high, and first practice went pretty good. Ended up 10th, which is yeah, we're right in the mix from that 5 to 10. So yeah, feeling good. Track's sweet, and fans are awesome, and let's have a good day.
You got top 10? Now you want top 5, right?
I know, bro. We got 6 last week, so we're getting closer to that top 5. Obviously, if I can sneak in there, that'd be awesome. But we're just gonna keep it consistent and see where we end up.
It's a wrap for Millville. Very positive day, 2 really good starts. Struggled with bike setup all weekend, but there's a lot of positives to take, so I'm looking forward to a shoot.
That's a wrap on the day. P2 overall. It was a good day, good qualifying session. Really good qualifying actually. And then first moto went down, came from last to 4th, rode my butt off. Used a lot of energy. Is what it is. Second moto was a little dead feeling, but we came out swinging. Made my way back about 5th on the start, I'd say, and caught up to 3rd, 2nd, or one of the riders went down, 1st or 2nd. Not exactly sure what place they're in. I seen a red flag, or a red cross, and I'll take it. So we're in 2nd now, so 2nd overall in the day. I'm stoked on it, but yeah, time to go back, do some recovery this week, get dialed in, keep on putting in the work, and come out swinging at Washougal, baby.